hunter. She was beautiful, and he couldn't help himself. So he did something kind of crazy. And they lived happily ever after. Fantasy. Everybody has one.
And now introducing Circus Fantasy, a new fragrance from Britney Spears.
Sleeping baby. You want